Good afternoon, everybody. Want to learn a magic trick? Watch this. A pencil, a bottle, pencil in the bottle. Grab a ghost, throw the ghost into the bottle. Ghost, make the pencil rise from the bottle. Want to know the secret? Yeah? Like all magic, the secret is really simple. Watch this. There's this thread going from there, taped down to my belt, all the way up here, and the thread goes to underneath the eraser, and you put it in this way. Don't put it in this way, put it in upside down, so the thread rises really easy. Simple, eh? Or is it an illusion? Have some fun with that one at home, fooling your friends.